And now, financial insights powered by California Coast Credit Union.
With spring cleaning underway, most people don't think to include their finances in that process. In fact, now is a great time to take stock of everything that involves your hard-earned money. Joining us with a few tips is CalCoast President and CEO Todd Lane. Great to have you on. So what should people look at when they review their finances?
It is a great time, and if you don't already do so, check everything that impacts your financial picture. Everything from your credit score to your income expenses to your retirement plans. And now is a great time to check your free annual credit report. If you haven't done so already, that's an important thing to check. And also consider consolidating your 401k plans into your current retirement plan so it's easier to track. And also go through your important financial documents and determine what you need to keep and what you need to get rid of. For documents that you can get rid of, shred them and do it safely.
And very briefly, how long should we keep those documents?
So when it comes to income tax returns, Alex, we want to keep them for 7 years. And for loans, keep those documents until you've paid off the loan in full. And for bank records and credit card statements, if you don't have, if there's no long-term importance, you can shred them quickly and receive them later electronically if you need to recapture them.
Thanks, Todd. Learn more at calcoastcu.org.